Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to use Manychat. So guys, first just simply go to manychat.com and create an account. And then now here you should be able to see here home on the left side. And first thing that you need to look out for is this one connected channel. So just simply click on see insights over here. And as you can see over here, as of now, I have one channel, which is Instagram over here. And if you want to add more channel, you can just simply click on add channel over here. And you can connect with your Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS, email, or Telegram. You can just simply go ahead and connect it. And from there, just simply log in into your account. And you should be able to connect it with ManyChat. And when we go to the contacts over here, you should be able to import your contacts over here so you can upload your external contacts and use it with any marketing channel in ManyChat over here. And now the main feature of ManyChat is their automation over here on the left side. So guys, from here you will have three options. You either have go for my automation, basic, and sequences. So guys, remember that you will have here templates, so it will be very easy for you to understand once you get used to it. So first, let's go to my automation. So first, just simply go to new automation over here on the top right, and from here, as you can see, you should be able to have here some templates. So pretty much it will be depending on you guys. So let's go for the basic one, which is auto DM links from comments. So just simply click on this. So guys, from here, just simply select a specific post or reel that you want to have an automation with. So let's say I'm going to go for this one. And after that, I'm going to click on next. And now from here, you can add a specific word or words. So pretty much it will be depending on you. If you say, write a comment down below, claim, just simply provide claim over here. So for all of the people who comment claim in your post, they will have an automation to just simply click on next, or you can go for any word and you will have this call to action button. So when they click on this, as you can see, you should be able to see here next again. And when they click on send me the link over here, you can just simply provide the message over here and you can add a link or you can add another button. And after that, you can just simply click on next. You can go for public reply to a comment and you should be able to see something like this. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And you can go for other things like this one, which is you have to avail the pro. And once you are done, you can just simply click on go live on the top right corner over here, guys. And from there, you should be able to create an automation. So guys, remember that you can choose other automation as well. You can just simply click on this and you can go for new automation and select other triggers or automation. So pretty much it will be depending on you, and you can explore with the basic as well and the sequences as well. And now you can go for the live chat as well. So from here, you should be able to see all of the people who message on your channel, and you can filter it out by each channel or all of the channel. And pretty much that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.